Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video we will solve a tricky math Olympiad problem. A square minus b square equals 15. We have to find the value of ab where ab belongs to the positive natural numbers. We will start the solution of this question. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. A square minus b square equals to 15. We know the identity on the left hand side. A square minus b square always equals to a plus b times a minus b. So we will replace left hand side. A plus b, a minus b equals 15. Now we will focus on the right hand side. We will factor the pair of 15. We can write 15 as 15 into 1, 1 into 15, 3 into 5 and 5 into 3. But we will consider the case where a plus b is greater than a minus b. So a plus b is 15 and a minus b is 1. We will take this case. Here a plus b is 1 and a minus b is 15. We do not consider this case. In this case a plus b is 3, which is less than a minus b 5, so we will not consider this. Here a plus b is 5 and a minus b is 3, so we will take two cases. Case 1, a plus b into a minus b equals 15 into 1, and case 2 is a plus b to a minus b equals 5 into 3. So we will take first case and find the value of a and b. Case 1, a plus b, a minus b, 15 into 1, a plus b equals 15 and a minus b equals 1. Now we will add both equations. B cancel. 2a equals 16, dividing 2 on both sides. A equals 8. We will put this value of a in the first equation. A plus b equals 15. A is 8 plus b 15. Subtracting 8 on both sides, b equals 15 minus 8, b equals 7. So for the first case, a b value is 8, 7. Now we will find the value of a and b for the second case. This one. A plus b into a minus b, 5 into 3. Case 2, a plus b, a minus b, 5 into 3. A plus b equals 5, a minus b equals 3. Adding the equation both, bb, 2a equals 5 plus 3, 8. Dividing 2 on both sides, a equals 4. So this is the value of a. We will put the value of a in the first equation. A plus b equals 5. A is 4. 4 plus b equals 5. Subtracting 4 on both sides, b equals 5 minus 4 is 1. So a b value is 4, 1. For the second case, in the first case we have a b value 8 and 7. Now we will check whether our values of a and b are correct or not. We will put these values in the given equation. A square minus b square equals 15. So a is 4. 4 square minus b is 1. 1 square, 15. 4 square is 16 minus 1, 15. And 15 equals 15. It means this value of a b is correct. Now we will check for this one. A square minus b square equals 15. 8 square minus 7 square equals 15. 8 square is 64. 7 square is 49. 64 minus 49 is 15. 15 equals 15. It means our value of a and b for both the cases are totally correct. And this is the method how to solve this equation. A square minus b square equal to 15. There are 4 cases. We consider only those cases where a plus b is greater than a minus b. We have neglected the case for the negative value. We only consider positive natural values. So I hope you understand this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.